The EnergyDecentral 2016 under the umbrella of Eurotier in Hanover. With the exhibition Special CHP Maintenance and Service, the German Agricultural Society, DLG, as the exhibition organizer, wants to offer a value-added service to its visitors. For the first time, various manufacturers of combined heat and power plants, as well as a mineral oil company and service experts, are presenting themselves on the same site. Together they want to provide CHP operators with insights into the professional maintenance and competent service of CHPs, along with tips and hints on how operators can extend the life of their systems, minimize machine downtime, and increase efficiency. Of course, we wanted to make a statement of the fact that as a trade fair for stationary gas engines, we can also provide expertise for trade visitors. I think it has also been quite impressive to combine different companies together in one place and to start this special together. In 7 shows a day, the service specialists and maintenance teams are working live at the power units. The viewers are given detailed views into the interior life of the engines. Especially the machines with high running performance fascinate the audience. Cameras transmit details to a large screen. A savvy moderator mediates between the actors and the viewers, live, spontaneous, informative, user-oriented. Even endoscopes are used to look inside the motors. With this, the trade fair visitors can perfectly understand the importance of oil analysis, for example. We not only sell the lubricant, but also a service around it, including oil analysis and a machine survey in the form of a borescope inspection, in order to make it clear to the customer that it's very important to use a high-quality gas engine oil within the framework of total cost of ownership. 2 power units with clear usage traces after more than 42,000 or even more than 60,000 operating hours are the eye-catchers of the special. They make the information authentic. Exhibits from various engines underline the importance of regular maintenance. Lifelike action under the artificial conditions of a fair. That was the goal. We chose a real-life motor because it's an opportunity to show the machine itself. That's the focus, of course, but also to show our competence in terms of service, and also to explain to customers why we need special tools, what kind of training and skills we need. After all, you don't get the chance to see inside such an engine every day of the week. The audience was enthusiastic and took the opportunity to exchange ideas with the service specialists in between the shows. This was precisely the effect DLG wanted to achieve with their partners on the CHP Maintenance and Service Special. This is something real. You can touch it, and we know that our customers are very interested in metal and also in machines in general. Watching someone work on them is just perfect. And people can talk to our mechanics, guys who really work on these machines out there every day. Maybe they can even ask that special question they always thought about. It really seems to work. We have many interested people also at our own booth here. Flexibility is something many people think about. Since we can provide information, we can also advise customers in the right direction so they can find a very cost-effective solution for themselves. In short, a great success for us. Whether oil analysis, maintenance intervals, flex operation, or vibration measurement. Over the course of every day at the fair, all current topics concerning CHP maintenance were addressed. The visitors' reactions showed that organizers were right. Wherever there is action at a booth, at a CHP, at an exhibit, there is of course also the enthusiasm of the trade visitors. If you can get some added value, maybe some ideas you can think about, or a suggestion to change something, to improve something, then actually everybody wins.